Hey YouTubers, Captain Penguin here with Reptar05. We're starting a new project. We're building a whole new computer, so this is our first video. Today we're working on the case. We're going to be working on other videos to come along, those will be added later. But today's case we're going to be working with the Cooler Masters Stormtrooper, which is going to be this guy over here. Alright guys, this is the CM Stormtrooper, the full-size tower here. We ain't got no mid-size or anything like that. We need the full one for more room for stuff. Teach you guys what the stuff in front is here, if we want to zoom in real quick. Alright, to start with, you got your power button, which is this big button right here. Next you have your LED button, which has 3 different displays, which we'll show you probably later on in one of the other videos when we get it all hooked up. Then you have your plus and minus buttons, which are your fan speeds to turn them up and down if you need more airflow in there. Then we'll jump over here, we have your mic and your headset connections. Then you have your 2 3.0 USB connectors and your 2 2.0 USB ports. And then you have your SATA port and your reset button. Then we'll jump down here, you have your removable front pieces here. Just come out really easily like that. They're for like CD drive, hard drive, external hard drive, whatever you need to put in there. And they just snap right back in real easily. And there are 9 of them to play with if you have more to add in there or not. But yeah, that's the front of it, guys. And we'll jump over to the side in a moment here. Alright, we got the side view here. We got, start with up on top here, you have your handle for easily moving around, like if you guys have to move somewhere or get this out of the way or something, it's easily accessible. So you guys can move it. I'm not going to move it right now because it'll just move me out of the way. And we'll jump down here to the cables, which are, these are all your connectors for the front portion, like your power supply and your USB cables and all that. These are also for your fans and LEDs. But we'll get to those later when we get to the motherboard. Which the motherboard is going to be attaching to the back here. I'm not sure if you can see them, but there's small holes for the screws in there for the motherboard. And then down at the bottom you have your power supply slot, which that'll also be next. And then you also have your fan, which you guys can't see here, but there's a 200mm fan here, 140mm fan here, and then we'll jump over here, you have 2 120mm fans, which all fans are LEDs. And these fans are really cool because they actually have detachable, which I already unscrewed them, which they detach here. And with inside, you can put your hard drives and other devices that you need on here, and they just slide on here, and the fans will keep them cool and accessible, I guess. Just 2 simple screws, and you got your adapters for the LED and the fan on front, and it simply just goes right back in, slides right back in, you attach the screws, and you're all set to go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching the first video to our project here, the CM Stormtrooper. Please hit the like button if you liked this video. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or any further input on our projects which are coming up. And hit the subscribe button if you wish to see the projects which we're going to be posting as we add on parts as we get them in. And thanks for watching, guys. Hey YouTubers. No. Just be like, alright guys. I forget what I'm starting in front of the camera.
I don't know, I thought you'd like to see.
I'm gonna find that later tomorrow, and I'm gonna laugh my ass off.